Hi there, beautiful person. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Nddy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to cheat a quick, easy nude ombre lip look with just 3 products. We're going to start with clean lips, so you can use your wipes or paper towel to clean your lips. And then we'll go ahead and line our lips with our eyeliner or lip liner. I'm using the Davies eyeliner and lip liner pencil with vitamin A and E. Your results will depend on how thick or thin you line your lips. So I like to keep my line within my lip line. I do not like to overline my lips. I don't really like the look. So you're going to make this as thin or as thick as you want. That is going to give you varying types of results. So I didn't want this to be too thick or too thin either. So this was the look I was going for. You can make yours thinner, you can make yours thicker. Next, I'll be going in with my favorite nude lip gloss. You can use any shade that you like or any color that you like, but I'm going to be going in with this nude because that is the color that I am going for. It is the Nature Beauty Long Lasting Nude Lip Gloss. You'll just feel that in the space between your lip line. Being careful to not allow the nude to touch your line. When you smack your lips, do so gently. And then you'll also apply your clear lip gloss, so that I do this so that I can give it a finished look, a finished glossy look, because I love glossy looks. So it's up to you. So when you want to put this, you want to be careful when going over your lip line where you've lined with your lip liner, so that it doesn't clean off or go off. Okay, and when you smack, only smack where the nude lip gloss is at. All right, so that you do not mess up the look. Then you can go in with your fingers and clean off the edges of your lips to make it look neat. You can reapply and go in until you get your desired results. This is what I have gotten. This is my final look and I am loving it. This is my favorite look to go with. I love this look so much. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. So please like, comment your favorite lip look, and also subscribe, turn on your post notifications so that you can be notified each and every single time I post a new video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye bye, and I will see you in my next video. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.